Oh, Shalom Rastafari. Oh, what a sick, right? Demented, twisted, evil. And this month, October, right? October, the month of all these evil satanic holidays. And today, or actually yesterday, Thursday, October 3rd, right? Thursday, October 3rd, and the beginning of the new scandal season, right? The new scandal season. Here you see this vid from Alex Jones and others about the D.C. police. There was this alleged chase, right? Actually, it was a black mother, most likely having a mother. You understand? If you don't care about a mother, just the principle of it, it shouldn't make any difference. But I'm sure a lot of people probably took the story at first because her race did not really come out. I think her name is Miriam Carey. And this is really interesting because with the other shooting, right, that took place, right, with the Aaron Alexis, now we have this shooting, murder. D.C. police basically murdered this woman, right? It was all over a so-called checkpoint. Let's bring up her picture right over here. But until that comes up, let's just show this standing. Black woman and child. We as Rastafari, right, as Aina as Rastafari, we must understand the significance of this. A lot of other useless GMO eaters and fluoridated water drinkers, right, and pseudo-Christianity worshipers probably don't understand the significance of this, how evil this sacrifice. That's what it was. It was a sacrifice, plain and simple. In fact, this is her right here, I think, Miriam Carey. Now, they said that at her apartment, we saw the evening news where they're at her apartment, looking to get inside. They got bomb disposal experts, and the media is just literally salivating, right, over this, and everyone, and the news just came out all false, right, all false. The question we have to ask, if it was a white woman, a white mother, now some people say, oh, you're going for the race card. Well, definitely, this whole country was built, right, based on race. Have we forgotten so soon? 3/5 now, 3/5 of the whole 3/5 compromise, right? We're still under that 3/5 compromise. So all these police right here, you've seen that picture over there. Let's go back to that. They surround the car, right? Capitol Hill shooting. They surround the car with guns drawn point blank, right? And some of the news stories was actually trying to say, that she was like, shooting up the place, and it's like she was threatening to break down, like all this hyperventilization. You see it down here as well. I got to get some clearer footage of this, but they've been playing a lot of the footage ad nauseum. That right there is a scene of I mean, you can look even at the police officers if you can see a woman killed, a woman murdered, and I think her race has a lot to do with it as well, right? Because see, no matter how much you try to look white or act according to the systemics and everything like that, they still know the whole system is, the 3/5 is still a part of the compromise. Right? Yeah, they had these amendments, but a lot of these amendments don't really exist anymore. Freedom of speech and all of that, and the Fourth Amendment and the Second Amendment. So howbeit, this is just another amendment gone right here. They killed her in front of her child. In fact, you can see a picture right over here of them taking her child. Now I'm looking at the monitor, and okay, that's a good adjustment right there. You can see a little bit more of her child right here. On some of the news shows, they don't want to show you the face of her child, but obviously it's out there on the Here's this child had to witness her mother, right? Her mother being gunned down. Now the child will be taken care of. The government will become her mommy and her daddy. And some of y'all are very fine, right, with that possibility. This is a sick, twisted, demented case. And when you really take a good look, if you're not one of these useless GMO eaters, you see the useless GMO eaters, they really, they really don't, right? They really don't get it, right? They really don't get it. They've been chemical and biologically attacked for years and loving it, right? Or being breeded, right? Being doped up to really love it. This is going to be our video that basically follows up on what we just saw, a Jones video, Alex Jones video. Where's that video right here, right? Police, DC police kill mother, right, in front of child. Actually, a little more correctly, DC police kill a black mother, right, a black mother in front of her child. DC Homeland Paramilitary Forces, right, let's just back this up over here. DC Paramilitary Forces, this story down on Ascension with Earth. DC Homeland Paramilitary Forces killed a dental hygienist in front of her small child because the woman drove past a new checkpoint, right? Let's go to that particular story. Check out the Jones video. It's interesting. It's been up there for a moment, right? Right here, right? Here we go, right here. DC police kill black mother, and she was a black mother. I think that really matters, considering all the facts. Facts are stubborn things. We can make it seem like it's all Anglo male in love with a Negro female and the scandal. And look at that. The Scandal series resumes today, right? It resumes today, right? It resumed today, and this comes up. I know it just seems very. How can you say? With the government shut down too, right? The government shut down as well, right? Because he drove past a new checkpoint. They chased her down and killed her. D.C. is a very dangerous place to visit, and InfoWars is issuing a travel alert. Very good travel, and we should pass it on. InfoWars has never been to a city, even in third world hellholes, as bad. Well, what do you think America really is? We can believe the mythology, or we can wake up to the reality. That's the reality right there, right? D.C. police, right? The Demons of Columbia police, they murdered a black mother in front of her child, right? Because she allegedly passed by a checkpoint, right? And and then when you see all the false information that they've been putting out. And what's the false information they've been putting out? Well, they've been putting out the false information that she was shooting, she had a bomb, she was going to, they probably connect her with the Republicans and the shutdown. This is not a conspiracy theory, right? Who knows whether this is true or not, but it looks like there's going to be another exercise, right? Another exercise, right? U.S. Capitol shooting. Right now, they're searching around Connecticut. They're searching around her home in Connecticut. They're searching around her Brooklyn neighborhood. They say woman tried to ram. Notice the key words: ram the gates of the White House before opening fire. Now, that implies that the woman was opening fire. This is 8 hours ago, Daily Mail. Panic in D.C. after female driver, after a black female driver. And that makes a big difference. They've done studies on this from some of the top universities, and even amateurs have done studies, and the conclusion is basically the same, that race does matter. right? And there's never been any conversation about race, but in the mythological show Scandal, where we have an Anglo male committing adultery against his Anglo female with a Negro female, you know what I mean? And the actors deserve acting credit, you know what I mean, for what they're doing. But there's a bigger picture here, right? So that's when we see this news coinciding with the beginning of the new season, right? A sacrifice is always necessary, they say. Panic in D.C. after a black female driver with a child, they say, rammed barricades outside the White House. Female suspect 34 was shot and killed by police officers, right? Female driver revealed the driver was chased down and beaten up in front of, okay, that's some other stories. I don't know if it's the same story right there, right? Hundreds of armed D.C. police kill a black mother in front of child, right? But you see, Negroes, most of the black folks have been so, they've been turned into useless GMO eaters and fluoridated pops, soda drinkers, so most of them can't even think straight. You understand? They still think Scandal is reality. And what we're saying and other people are saying about the real state of affairs is a fantasy. It is no fantasy, right? This is no fantasy. This woman is now dead, and her only crime is that she backed up and she knocked over something, trying to avoid a checkpoint, right? Now, some of y'all will say, well, if she didn't do nothing wrong, why was she avoiding a checkpoint? You need to just line up. Those of y'all who have that philosophy, y'all need just to line up, right, against a wall or need to dig your pit, stand down in the pit, and say, thank you very much, Mr. Nazi, you understand, and take your pill. You understand? Take your lead pill. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of folks like that, and it's only the grace of God. You understand? If it's still possible for them to receive that grace. Some people probably know that. None of us are worthy. That's a whole other point right there. But they don't even want to receive the truth. Right? You shall know the truth. Right? No shots now are believed to be fired from the car. This particular clip right here, screenshot, is saying that no, so you can see that a little better right there, right? That no shots are believed to be fired from the car. But when they were putting this story out, that's exactly what they implied. Right? They implied that shots were being fired from the car. And see that pic right there, they're carrying her daughter, right? I think it's a young girl from the car, Mariam Carey's daughter. She went to do a couple of errands, and now she lies dead. I think this is her as well in this particular picture right here with some of her co-workers, so forth and so on. And I'm not going to even say her only crime, right? But the only thing that she probably did was seek to avoid a checkpoint, and now she's dead, right? The government may be shut down, but government murder definitely is not shut down, right? Yeah, if y'all don't know what time it is, you know what I mean? If y'all don't know what time it is, y'all better get a clock, get a watch. You better check the time. It's later than you think.